Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest, and MUSTART sent me this EV charger. So I've made a new friend. I actually go to the EV charging stations every time that I get a new one of these. I didn't find anybody, but on my way back I actually made a new friend. I noticed this Tesla here sitting outside of a home, so I figured I'd stop by and ask. Turns out they have a perfect use for a portable level 2 charger. Let me show you what this is all about and why it's great for your EV. So if you don't know, when it comes to EVs, there's a few different levels of chargers. The last EV charger that I reviewed was a level 1 charger, and this is a level 2 charger. That means it puts out at least 40 amps. That's gonna charge your car way faster than a level 1 charger. But the best part about this one is it's portable as well. Let me show you exactly what it looks like. And this is everything it comes with. On the top here is a nice zipper pouch, perfect for storing the manual. I'll read through this and tell you anything interesting. Alright, this charger's already weathered 2 storms in the back of my truck. They were pretty unsuspecting, so I didn't know they were coming, but it's held up just great. The inside's nice and clean. Let's look at this. It comes with a 4-prong 220-volt plug. Now, a lot of the older homes in this area only have the 3-style prong plugs for the outlets in the homes. That's a pretty easy solution. You just get one of these. You run this extra ground sensing wire all the way to another outlet, and you plug it in the little circle slot, not the little lined up slots. Turns out that didn't even work well for these EV chargers. There's a special one for an EV charger, so I'll link that in the description as well. I didn't take a video of it, but that's the one I ended up using. And it doesn't have that extra little ground wire, so it's even easier to use. But just so you know, if you only have 3 plug outlet as well, easy solution for you. Bracket for it, super nice, super concise. This will slide in either way. Let me show you what I mean. So when you go to hang this part up on the wall, it'll slide in and hold just like this. But that's symmetrical, so if you just don't want to find the right way up, you can slide this in however it fits. 25 feet of cord's way longer than the last one I looked at, so this is going to be able to reach from inside your home all the way outside to your car, charge it wherever you're at. 25 feet is definitely the length I would recommend at a minimum. And lastly, it comes with a charging handle holder. This can mount up on the wall right with it, keep your handle off the ground, even though it does come with a waterproof rubber cap. That's all we need to know about this. So let's plug this into the Tesla and let me tell you the benefits of owning a charger like this. This level 2 charger will charge 8 times faster than a level 1 EV charger. This MUSTART level 2 portable charger has over temperature protection, short circuit protection, leakage protection. It also has under voltage and over voltage protection. The controller box itself is IP66 waterproof and the handle is IP67. This feels super durable, like it's gonna hold up to years of use. Alright, so we got the Tesla backed in. I went ahead and looked at this charger block here, the main part of it, the IP66 rated, and I didn't see any buttons on that, so it's apparently super intuitive. You don't even have to set modes or anything. All you gotta do is plug it in. Let's check it out. We went ahead and backed the Tesla up. Since it's plugged inside, it will just reach. I mentioned I had to get a different adapter, so this is the second time I've come back. I'm starting to feel a little nervous, hoping that this is going to work, especially since I've already had to come back once. Fingers crossed, let's see if this plugs in and charges the Tesla.
Hopefully that reaches this.
Perfect, yeah, that should be perfect. Alright, so that looks like it's charging on the outside. Let's go ahead and take a look at the display inside of the Tesla and see what sort of DATs that's showing. I'm pretty interested to see if they match up. Alright, those look very similar. This charger is working great. I'm going to go ahead and leave it with my friend. All in all, I would 100% recommend this MUSTART level 2 charger if you're in the market for an EV charger. I think a level 2 charger is definitely the way to go over a level 1 charger. This one putting out 40 amps, as you can see, will charge your vehicle completely overnight, even if you have a Tesla. This thing's durable, the construction's great overall, and it's super easy to use. So check out the links in the description and the pinned comment if you want one of these. And thanks again to MUSTART for sending this. I'll see you on the next episode of Roadside Rescue.